I've seen businesses get dissolved by the state many times. Here's how it happens. So take a family donut shop. They've been operating in the state for 20 years, but they moved locations and they forgot to update the state with their new address. The state sends a reminder about an upcoming filing deadline for their annual report, but they don't get that notice. They fail to file the document on time, and then the state administratively dissolves them. The state sends a notice of dissolution, but that also goes to the wrong address, so they never find out that they were administratively dissolved. Then at some point they go to the bank and they want to take out a loan, and the bank denies their loan application. They looked at the state records and they said, you don't even have an active business anymore. Administrative dissolutions can also happen when a company fails to maintain a registered agent, they don't pay their state taxes, and then the most common reason is failing to file that annual report with the state. The warning signs are easy to miss: ignored notices, missed mail, or assuming that someone else is handling compliance for you. Here's how to make sure that your business isn't dissolved by the state. Check your business records frequently, keep a compliance calendar, confirm your registered agent details, and act quickly if you receive a state notice. Staying compliant helps you avoid penalties and fees, and it keeps your business protected and operational. It seems intimidating, but if you stay on top of it, you'll be okay. I'm a business attorney at LegalZoom, and this is Trusted Counsel.